basically.
Xavier, catch.
No, wait. Oh my gosh!
Alright, explain what you're doing again. Explain what you're doing.
Okay, so this is something super precise. You have to put the egg right here on the top of each hole that is surrounded by teeth.
I've never seen this before in my life, man.
So wait, this one I have to make sure that the thing is not going to fall.
Power out of.
Put the egg just right here. It's balanced. I'm gonna put more eggs because otherwise it's going to.
What's the
Alright, wait. Before I do that, I'm gonna put some more water because otherwise it's not gonna work.
Wait, why do you need water?
You'll see.
Okay.
I've never seen something like this before.
Yeah, this is
So you have to have enough water,
I don't.
just like
Like
that.
an art sculpture? Like,
Yeah, is that
It's
what you're trying to
just
do?
like art, right? Okay. So this one goes over here and this one right over here. Now, if I put one over here.
Oh man. Don't drop the egg. Oh, okay. That's fine. It's okay, just keep going.
Sorry.
We didn't mess up the structure, so.
No, it's okay.
after he lays the final egg, is it like
I'm
done?
so
Like,
sorry. I wasted
Is
an
that the
egg.
final?
No, it's not the final.
So this is good.
And
What are you doing? Just get
So
to it.
now we have
and
the 5 eggs, and
Wait.
this is going to work.
Wait, so does the water have to be equal?
Smash eggs.
Shouldn't you put more water in?
Let me move this.
Don't you need more water?
Oh yeah, it's not
Yeah,
even.
you gotta
It's not
put. No, you gotta put more.
Even it out.
Yeah, you gotta put some more water.
Okay, you want to make it look nice?
what?
Yeah.
Yes.
They have to be equal amounts.
I don't know. I don't
No,
know.
you have to have enough water. So now,
Okay.
Okay.
so now.
What are you doing?
Whoa.
Wait.
What's going on?
Wait.
Wait, what is this?
What's gonna happen?
I'm going to move that because it's going to be a mess. And this
Wait.
and guys, stay,
Wait, what?
stay over here. Stay on this side, please.
What?
Wait.
All right.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm going to smash this whole thing, and something
gonna
incredible is going to happen.
Wait. What are you trying to do
What do
here?
you mean you're gonna smash it?
Wait, you're gonna smash? Oh, what the heck?
Break a bunch
We're gonna smash all the eggs? You're gonna break the eggs?
What are you? What's
No, that's the point. I think none of the eggs are going to break.
Wait, what are you? I don't know what you're trying to.
Wait.
What are you trying to do here?
Oh my god.
What?
Oh!